So today I'm going to be doing a short mail time on Movie Star Planet, and yeah, so let's get started. The first gift is from Ral484. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next gift is from Luna, the Black Moon. She sent 4 gifts. Thank you. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Next gift is from Luna, the Black Moon again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the hair. It's so pretty. Neat recording. Thank you so much for the hair. Okay, so these last gifts are from my friend because she made an account and she sent boy clothes from it. So thank you. We got the boy clothes tattoo. Next I got the hair. Thank you. Next is some boy jeans. Thank you so much. And then the last gift, or the second last gift, is a shirt, a boy shirt. Thank you so much. The last gift is from her. Thank you so much. I've always wanted that shirt. Okay, so that will be the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. My besties say hello. Yay. Okay, bye guys.